everyone, basically Guyanese here. I just wanted to create this really quick intro for the video that you will be watching. It is more centered on my eye look. It's a yellow eyeshadow, how to do yellow or wear yellow eyeshadow for women of color or anyone that's interested in just knowing how to wear yellow eyeshadow. I'm not an expert in this, but I hope that this video will help you guys out, whomever watches it. And before I go into the video, I just wanted to share with you what I used on my eyes. I used the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I had the first one and I got rid of it because I wasn't using it, but the first one was a very good palette, and every time I wanted to get this palette from the BH Cosmetics website, it was always sold out. So I was able to pick it up from Ulta. I did not know the BH was being sold in Ulta, so that's a good thing. I got it on sale and I used the two yellows, this yellow right here and this yellow right here, on my eyelid, and also for my crease and to darken up my crease. Used this brown right here from the Yes Please palette from ColourPop, and I also used the yellow on top. And for the bottom lower lash line area, I used this purple right here. Everything else that I put on my face, I sped through that. I will list down below if you're interested in getting the products for everything else. Alright, so this intro is getting too long. I hope that you will enjoy this video, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you are watching this and you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in another video very soon. God bless you. Enjoy the video. You share it if you like, and bye. Just a quick little tip: whenever you're applying a shadow into your crease, it's better to use a light hand and in circular motions. This helps the shadow to distribute easily, and also it helps to soften up any harsh lines, and makes your look more neat. That's what I've noticed. So I just wanted to give you a really quick tip on that. gonna do my face, and then I'll come back and finish up my eye. You, and if you haven't given your life to Jesus, I would encourage you to do so right now. We're living in the last days, and time is getting shorter and shorter and shorter, and eternity awaits. So I would encourage you to give your life to Jesus and forsake this world and come to him. All right,